Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with the next video. So welcome to our ethical hacking course. Today we are going to learn about the Nmap. So we'll learn only the basic introduction and deeply later on we'll learn in the next video. So without delay, let's start. So at first I want to say something about the Nmap. Nmap is also known as the network mapper. It's an open source tool which let you to perform scan on local and remote network. It is also known as the footprinting tool. This is basically the first step of hacking, because in this we will find information about the target or the IP address or information about the website. It helps to get information about the target. So before that, to install this Nmap, we need to go to the nmap.org site. Okay, if you are using this Nmap in Windows, so once you go to this site, then you can see a download button. Okay, so once you click in this download, then Nmap will start to download in your window. So after downloading, you need to install that, and after installing, you can use that. Okay, if you are using the window. But we have one advantage when we use in our ethical hacking lab, because in that lab we have created Kali Linux server virtually in virtual environment. Okay, so once we create that Kali Linux virtually in virtual environment, okay, in our virtual box, then we don't need to install this Nmap, because by default this Nmap is already installed inside our Kali Linux. So let us start our virtual box. Okay, so I have opened my virtual box and I have opened my Kali Linux also already. So without delay, I'll show you how to open the Nmap. So this Nmap is basically used for scanning the data and information about the target, I have said. Okay, but there is one disadvantage of this Nmap. Along with this so many advantages, there is one disadvantage also, and that disadvantage is it can be easily detected by any server. Okay, any server or the firewall, because Nmap is very noisy. So due to that, when we are using this Nmap, you should be very careful. So not only careful, you should be anonymous also. Okay, so how to be anonymous completely, I'll teach on the later video. But please don't do anything illegal. Okay, this is only for educational purpose. So if you do any illegal and if you get any case, I'm not responsible for that. So I'll request you to use the skill whatever I'm teaching here only for the legal purpose, because this is only for educational purpose, I have said. So now here, to open the Nmap, we have two ways. Okay, we have two ways. One way is go to this icon. I think you are seeing this icon. Click in that icon and type your Nmap. So once you type Nmap, see our Nmap is appearing. Okay, so see, you can see here our Nmap is appearing. So this is the one way. Okay, now another way is just go to the terminal. Okay, just go to the terminal and type your Nmap. So once you type Nmap, our Nmap will open. Okay, so Nmap open. So once Nmap open, okay, so Nmap is opening. So now what kind of things or what are available in Nmap, if you don't know, because we don't know anything about the Nmap. Okay, so if you want to see some basic thing or some summary of Nmap, then you can type Nmap dash dash, not dash dash, minus minus help. Okay, you can type Nmap minus minus help. So once you type Nmap minus minus help, then it will show basic description about this Nmap. Here I have typed Nmap minus minus help, then it is showing basic description. So you can see here Nmap 7.80, my version is this. Okay, so if you want to see in the website, this is the website link, https nmap.org. This is the website link. So except this, there are many other information. Okay, so we'll discuss about this on the later videos. Okay, because it is very vast, so we cannot finish in this video. If we start to discuss about everything, so it will take a lot of time, so we'll not discuss this here. We'll discuss on the later video, because this video I'm planning only to give you the basic introduction, so I don't want to go in deep to this. Okay, so I'll only explain some basic terms. Okay, so see here, you can see here. Okay, in this here, if you do in this OS detection, see here, if we write what minus o means Nmap minus o, then if you write that website name, then this will help us to detect the OS. Okay, so this will detect the OS. So in down, when I scroll downward, okay, so there are many other options. Okay, so we'll discuss later, so don't worry for that. So I'll show you another. Okay, so here if you do minus a, then this will enable OS detection, version detection, skip scanning and trace route. So this minus a will identify these things. Okay, so now you can see your example. Okay, now how to scan or how to use this nmap, your example is given. You can use in this way. Okay, nmap -b-a scan me.nmap.org. okay, this is the website. Okay, this is the website because when practicing this, okay, when practicing this, many many of them will face the problem. Okay, they will face which website to scan, because if they scan any website randomly, then they may be caught, or that website may do a legal action. So due to that, many of them will get confusion. So for that reason, okay, Nmap has provided one website. Okay, one website in which we can scan. Okay, in which we can scan. So this website is, you can see here, scanme.nmap.org. okay, but this is only for educational purpose. Okay, I'll show you about that website also. Okay, now see, you can see here. Okay, this is the website. Okay, this is the website which Nmap has provided us. Okay, so you also can practice in this website. Okay, because if you directly scan any other website, okay, then that website may do a legal action. So due to that, you can practice in this, because this website is provided by the Nmap for us to practice only. But this website also has some legal things, okay, which we need to follow. Okay, because see, you can see here, okay, what it is written. You can see here, hello and welcome to the scanmap.org, a service provided by the Nmap scanner. This is, you can see here. So this is to learn about the Nmap and also to test and make secure that their Nmap installations is working properly. Okay, means with the help of this website, okay, it helps to make us confirm that our Nmap is working or not. Okay, and see here, other thing, okay, other what you need to understand is, try not to hammer on the server too hard. Means they are saying us with don't scan this server too hard. Okay, don't scan again and again. Okay, so another thing, what is there, a few scan in a day is fine. Okay, but you don't scan on a time a day, or use this site to test your SS brute force cracking tool. Means you cannot do this thing. Okay, means you cannot do more than 100 times scanning or whatever it is written. Okay, you cannot do these things. So you should be very careful about these things. So we will do practice in this website only. Okay, we will not use any other real website. Okay, because that may cause problem, that may cause some legal problem. Okay, so we will not do there, we will do in this only. Okay, because this is provided by Nmap for us to practice only, so we will do in this website only. So without delay, I'll just start. So I'll just start. So here I'll just start. Okay, I'll just do some basic thing. Okay, so basic thing I'll do. Okay, Nmap. So Nmap, okay, scan me. Okay, see, in that example it is given nmap -b-a scan me.nmap.org. okay, but I'll not do that -b-a. okay, I'll just do some simple. Later on video will do all that thing and we'll see. Okay, but for now, for this first basic video, I'll do just basic thing. Okay, I'll not do like this deep. Okay, so now you can see here, our Nmap is scanning. Okay, our Nmap is scanning, so it is starting. Okay, so it is Nmap 7.80. so let us okay, why it is not scanning? Okay, so again I'll scan. Okay, let it be scanning. Okay, let this be scanning. Okay, so I'll show you some another thing also. Okay, so I'll explain something about NSLookup. Okay, NSLookup. So this is not related to the Nmap. Okay, but this is also somehow it is related to the data gathering. Okay, so see here, NSLookup is also very important tool. Okay, so so with the help of this NSLookup, okay, you can find, okay, their server name or server address. Okay, or with the help of that server address you can find their website name. So I'll show you. Okay, so scanme.nmap.org. so once I type here NSLookup scanme.nmap.org, now see here it is saying, okay, server is 192.168.43.1 and address is this, and our port number is 53. Okay, so it is saying different information. Okay, so now see, with the help of this, what domain name, okay, domain name, I have seen their IP address. Okay, I have seen their address. See, their address is how many? 45.33.32.156. okay, see here, with the help of this domain name we can find their IP address. So I'll show you again another thing. Okay, now I'll show you with the help of this IP address we can find the domain name also. So I'll show you 45.33.32.156. so now see, you can see here. Okay, ns lookup, when I type this IP address 45.33.32.156, then it is showing what? Our domain name is scanme.nmap.org. So see this, with the help of this ns lookup we can see their IP address, or we can see their domain name also. Okay, so this also help us to find some information about that target. Okay, so you also can use this ns lookup. So now after this okay, now see, you can see here. Okay, see what I have done that time, nmap scanme.nmap.org. I have done that. See here. Now once I have done that, see, now it nmap has scanned us. Okay, so it has scanned what? It has done how many? One IP address, one host, scanning 27.58 seconds. And now you can see here. Okay, you can see here our 22, and our type is, our port type is what? TCP. Okay, so it is open and service is SSH. So you can see here. Okay, it is providing different information about this scanme.nmap.org. So okay, so in this way you can do different information gathering about that system. Okay, about that system. Okay, I think you all are feeling confusion about this. What is this TCP? Okay, what is this? I think you all are feeling confusion. Okay, so later on I'll explain about this also. Okay, because there are two type of that transmission port. Okay, one is TCP, another is UDP. Okay, I'll explain completely in detail about that part also on later video. Okay, so see, I have scanned it, scanmap.nmap.org. so you can see different things are scanning. Okay, so this is just the introduction video, so I like to end this video here only. So in the next part we'll go in more details. Okay, so we will learn more and more about this in later on videos. Okay, so this much for this video. So I just want to end my video. So everyone, have a nice day, take care, thank you, bye.